Hello, today we will be showing you guys how to sharpen knives. We will be using a hammered Damascus Japanese Santoku knife, which is a high-grade knife. To do this, we will be using a paint roller pan. Normally, we would be using special expensive tools, which you might want to buy, to hold the sharpener in place. But we got this pan for about $5, which is a better alternative than the expensive ones manufacturers sell. To hold the sharpener in place, we will also use a mat-like material we bought at the arts and crafts store. We'll put it on top and underneath the pan. We will also need a kettle of water, unless we'll be doing this at a sink. We will be using a Sharpening ceramic sharpener. It is very compact compared to traditional sharpeners and works well to sharpen knives. The number systems for the sharpener may be confusing, so we will break it down for you. The higher the number of the sharpener, the smoother it is to create a sharper edge. The lower numbers are rough, used in the beginning of the sharpening process. Normally, there are three types of whetstones you might want to invest in: the smooth, the middle, and the rough ones. But we recommend a 1000 whetstone for home cooks. To sharpen our knife, take 2 fingers and place it on the middle of the blade. Angle the blade so it's about 10 degrees from the whetstone. First, we'll be sharpening the tip of the blade. It is important to push hard when sharpening, but when pulling, we want to do it lightly to prevent accidents. We will also try to keep our finger on the stone area and not out to prevent accidents as well. Then, we will repeat the process for the middle part of the blade. And finally, to the end of the blade. When you're finished with the 3 steps, touch the edge of the blade lightly to feel if a curled edge, called the kairi in Japanese, has formed. It will feel as if the edge is curled and sharp. If you don't feel it, you may repeat the process of sharpening the knife. After washing the blade off, we will work on the other side of the blade. It will be the same process, except that we will put more strength when pulling the knife instead of pushing it. First, we'll work on the tip of the blade, remembering to keep it at a 10-degree angle. Then we will move on to the middle of the blade. And finally to the end of the blade. You may repeat the process again if needed. And when we are done sharpening, we will wipe the blade. To see how sharp the knife is, you may test it out. We took a piece of paper and we cut it up. It is important to sharpen a knife monthly to prevent dullness of a knife. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you.